It's Heidi with Nest Pretty. I'm the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. This book is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. It is about building a nest, one twig at a time, which is so much fun. It requires a little bit of patience and a whole lot of work. So I'm a closet coach. I help women curate a wardrobe she loves. I personally feel like that is so important. I personally feel that every woman deserves to love herself, her body, and her clothes. And she should get dressed without angst and just love every single minute of it. That's what I believe. So one of the tools I use to help my clients to do that is the edit. And this is really a honing exercise, something you can do every day at the end of the day to edit what you decided to wear. And so here are the 3 questions you can ask yourself in this order. Number 1 is what worked? And here's why. The more we ask our brain to find what worked, the more it will find what worked. It's a training exercise. We're training our brain to look for the positive in our clothing, in our body, in our appearance. And if that's not easy for you, don't worry. You can practice. Practice makes better. So what worked? So this is how you do it. You just look and see, what did you wear, what worked. And so here's the thing about today. I wore my new white pants and this cutie little shirt, which is half linen, half cotton, and a very light orange necklace and a little pop of color. What worked? I keep falling more and more in love with these pants. They are Spanx flare, kick flare pants. When I was walking out and about, it was pretty warm today. I don't know, it's 88 now. And I thought, am I going to be too hot? Well, it does get hot, but it's just not uncomfortable. And at the same time, it's also very, like, the pants hold you. And that's a great feeling. It's a very secure feeling. Maybe I'm just comparing it to my last pair of white pants, which were too loosey-goosey. So I'm loving these pants. And they are super comfortable, and I'm pretty sure I love them. I love this shirt as well because it has, it's kind of really fun. Okay, so question number 2 is what didn't work? And we are asking this question out of curiosity. We're not asking this question out of judgment. We're not like switching our brain to be like, okay, you look for the positive, now let's look for the negative. No. We're just looking out of curiosity, and is actually just noticing throughout your day, is something not working for you? Do you find yourself tugging at your clothes? Do you have this running narrative in the back of your mind like, this is the last time I'm wearing this? So, it's really just an exercise of noticing, becoming aware. Is something not working? Now, I would say, like, these pants, the silhouette of them is not my favorite silhouette because of the little kick, but I'm kind of enjoying it as a summer casual look. So I'm not hating it. But I am aware that it's not my favorite cut. I prefer maybe a straighter cigarette pant. So good to know. Okay, so question number 3 is the best part, because you're taking information that you mined with question number 1 and question number 2, and then you're going to put it into action. So question number 3 is, how can I make it better? And we are thinking about that using our imagination. You may need to sit in a comfortable chair, maybe have a cup of tea, take a few deep breaths, and think, how can I make this better? And by doing that, you really come up with an action list at the end of the exercise. Maybe something to put on your shopping list, maybe a decision that needs to be made. Like, I know when I first started doing the edit here on Instagram, I got rid of a pile of clothes. So if you're not loving it, if it doesn't fit, if there's something about it that's wonky, just get rid of it. So how can I make this outfit better? I don't know. I loved it. I was super comfortable. And I guess for me personally, linen, I'm trying to embrace it, but it gets wrinkly, but it's okay. If linen would not wrinkle, then it would be better. But that's outside of my control. So that's the end of the edit. What worked? What didn't work? And how can I make it better? Those 3 things help you on a daily basis to hone your wardrobe, to keep making progress towards your goals. The goal is to be able to stand in front of your closet and get dressed quickly without drama, without angst, without frustration, knowing that everything in there you love. It fits, and it's going to be so much fun to wear it. And maybe at the end of the day, you can figure out a way to make it even better. So that's how it works. As I mentioned before, I'm a closet coach. I help women to do that. It's so much fun. You can go to HeidiGammill.com and check out the coaching package, because here's the thing. After working for many years helping women in their closets, what I came to realize is many of them were not ready to do what needs to be done to get them where they want to be. It really is a process. And so I added life coaching to my closet organizing practice to get you ready. So fantastic. So you can go to HeidiGammill.com. I just mentioned in a post earlier, I love summer so much. It is my all-time favorite season. You can use coupon code SUMMER to get the package half off until July 1st. Go. I hope you have a fantastic evening. Enjoy. And I'm going to go get in my pool because it's so beautiful out. Bye.